In driving and in life, a little preparation goes a long way. Installing a dash cam, which monitors the front, and often the interior, of your vehicle in the event of a theft or accident, is an easy and affordable way to protect yourself, your passengers, and your investment if calamity strikes. The best dash cams are designed to give you peace of mind when you're behind the wheel, capturing video evidence of everything that happens on the road around you. There are numerous options for cheap dash cam, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable dash cam from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Nextbase 622GW Dash Cam. The Nextbase 622GW checks all of the above boxes and then some. It captures in crisp 4K, producing detailed footage in both bright and low light conditions, the latter of which comes courtesy of an impressive night vision mode. It also features a 3-inch touchscreen, which has an intuitive interface. This pick also opens the door for a wider range of complex setups. For not too much more cash, $100, you can add additional cameras to film the interior or out the back window of your vehicle. And, like most of the models here, installation of a relatively affordable, $30, accessory hardware kit unlocks even more features, like the ability to monitor your car and begin capture when something occurs, even while you're away. In the event of an accident, the 622GW features SOS mode, which will call and send GPS coordinates to emergency personnel in the event of an accident, even if you're unresponsive. It also features a built-in battery that can power the camera in the event the car battery is disabled. That battery has a tendency to fail in extreme heat, though, so you definitely don't want to leave it baking in the hot Texas summer sun. That caveat aside, this is among the most well-rounded dash cams out there. Number 2. 70mm A800S Dash Cam. For less than $150, the 70mm A800S captures clear 4K video, even in less than ideal lighting. It's also fairly feature-packed for the price, with dual-channel support, built-in GPS, driver assist warnings, and more. You can easily review videos in the car or adjust all of these settings using its built-in 3-inch display. You can enable parking mode, though it requires a $20 hardwire kit. The great price and solid features come with a few caveats, though. Users report that the 70mm companion app has both connectivity and UI issues on iOS and Android. It also struggles in sub-freezing temperatures, so make sure to take it out of your car during the winter. All that aside, the A800S offers a lot of functionality and high-resolution video for a very affordable price. That's not too shabby. Number 3. Garmin Dash Cam 57. The Garmin Dash Cam 57 has been on the market for a couple of years, but it still stands out as an appealing option for drivers who want a small and straightforward video capture setup. Recording in QHD, 1440p, the footage isn't quite as detailed as our top picks, but it delivers sharp daytime footage. Things get a little grainy at night and in inclement weather, but the quality should be usable in an emergency. I personally love that. At 2.2 by 1.6 by 0.9 inches, the Dashcam 57 is compact and discreet. Compared to the size of the device, the 2-inch display feels huge. I would have preferred a touchscreen, but this unit has voice-activated controls that make it easy to adjust on the road. Plus, the 57 also plays nice with the Garmin Drive app, which is far more intuitive after a recent overhaul. Even a simple dashcam should have some special features, though, right? The Dashcam 57 features a host of driver assist notifications, like lane departure warnings, forward collision warnings, and go reminders. You also get parking mode, which will capture 15 seconds of footage if an impact with your vehicle is detected. Number 4. Vantrue N4 Pro 3-channel Dash Cam. With 3 cameras to cover the front, back, and interior of your vehicle, the Vantrue N4 Pro is the perfect choice for rideshare drivers or anyone who wants full coverage of their vehicle while driving. Its primary, front-facing camera captures in 4K resolution, while the 2 secondary cameras record in full HD. While that isn't ideal, the secondary cameras have features that cater to their specific uses, the interior-facing camera has an infrared mode that switches on in the dark. The rear camera supports high dynamic range (HDR) processing to minimize blown-out lighting and grainy shadows. Both secondary cameras also have wider fields of view, allowing you to visualize the interior and behind your car. You also get plenty of useful bells and whistles. The N4 Pro features voice control, GPS, a 3-inch display, and a functional, but slightly clunky companion app. It also supports parking mode with motion detection if you install the optional hardwire kit. That said, this unit features an internal capacitor that allows it to record after an impact without a direct connection to power. With 3 cameras and so many useful features, the Vantrue N4 Pro keeps an eye on every part of your car, inside and out. Number 5. Garmin Dash Cam Live. The new Garmin Dash Cam Live is one of the most feature-rich options out there, with the unique, tech-driven functionality to keep new drivers safe. Its signature highlight is the ability to watch what your camera is looking at any time on your phone via livestream. That may give peace of mind to anxious parents who want to check on their kids during their first weeks on the road. It also allows you to track your car's location via GPS and get alerts if your car moves when your phone isn't inside. All of those outstanding features come with an annoying catch. Most of them are only enabled when you pay a monthly LTE subscription. The $9.99 subscription also backs up your recordings to the cloud and enables additional notifications. Beyond its smart features, the Dash Cam Live is a decent, fully featured dash cam. The QHD camera works surprisingly well in daylight and decent in low light. It also offers a laundry list of useful features, including voice-activated controls and parking mode. We certainly understand if you balk at paying a monthly fee, but the Dash Cam Live delivers the kind of features that are worth a subscription. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.